staring at me though. But why? I can still see you. Bye! Bye! Not editing it out. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is the first time that you are seeing me. I'm Auntie Ren, your local internet auntie, and I am here again. And guess what? What are we doing today? Another unboxing. Of course, I told you guys, if you saw my previous video, my first YouTube video ever, guys, I've just done so much shopping for quarantine. It's been a little bit ridiculous. So today I am doing an unboxing, and not just one unboxing but two. And the reason why, because they kind of have something to do with each other, so they kind of go together. So hopefully you'll get the vibe and why. And also one of the items is like a repeat purchase, so I have one already. So I'll show you a little bit of how I've been using the one that I have already, and then I'll also show you the new one. So enough jabbing, let's get to it. So first one I'm going to show you is already unboxed out of the box. So I have like the one that comes in the box, and then I have this one. So I don't even remember which one it is though. Oh, I don't know. So I guess we'll find out. But in typical fashion, you've seen YouTube videos, a million of them, right? So this is how they come. This is an SLG, so it's a smaller item from Louis Vuitton that we're doing today. And this is something that I've always wanted in my collection, and I feel that it's just one of those essentials, you know, like there's some things, and perhaps that's a video that I'll do, you know, further down the line, but there's some essentials that I think that you really can benefit from getting from Louis Vuitton, and this is one of them. It's at a great price point, it's super useful, and it's one of those things that you'll use every single day. And once you see my other item that I unboxed, you'll see what I'm talking about as well, because they kind of go together, the two. Some people prefer one over the other. I actually now have both, so we'll see how that kind of goes, having both of them, but I can tell you the benefits of the other one because I have it already and I've used it already. Anyway, all right, let's get to it. So ribbon, in quarantine time, guys, it was hard in these streets to get a ribbon. Let me tell you, Louis Vuitton was like, you know, pandemic, not getting a ribbon. But this one did come with a ribbon, so just give it an open up there. And the drawer situation, again, super typical. If you've never seen this before, I'm sorry, this is the first time you're going to see this. And it comes in a little dust bag, which is always great. And guys, so this is the Louis Vuitton key clay in Damier Ebene print. Guys, get into it, people, get into it. Oh, look at the lusciousness. Look at the zipper action, guys. Look at this stuff. Oh, so smooth. So the reason why I got this was actually to go with my car keys. I have a massive key fob, and it did not. The other option for this is the multi-clay 6, which is the 6 key holder for Louis Vuitton. I do have that also, but it doesn't fit my key fob for my vehicle. So I got this because it comes with this really cool little hook there, and what I can do is put my car fob on here and then just tuck it in there, and it's nice and safe. I do have a wireless start car, so I can literally just keep it in here, pop this in my bag, get to my car, open the door, you know, don't even have to pull it out, and it's nice and protected. It doesn't scrape up the linings of my expensive handbags. But I'm really excited about this. So what comes in here is the textile card, and this is the SKU. Now, want to tell you about this. Sorry, let me show you the SKU. Okay, so now let me tell you, there's a trick to this. Okay, so online, this was like super difficult to get. Like everybody's like, oh my god, it's always sold out, I can't find it. I'll tell you how I got it and how I get all my items from the Louis Vuitton website, and without any problems. So what I do is I create an account with them, create a wish list with them on the Louis Vuitton website. It's free, just do it. If this is what you want, this is what you're going to do, right? So you do that, and then sometimes it will say under the item, notify me. When it says notify me, click on it, put your email in there, notify you. With this one, they did notify me. They did send me emails. They actually sent me an email on a Saturday telling me that the item was in stock. Obviously, I missed the email. Why? Because, you know, because I'm me and I'm a busy person. So I missed the email. But after that, I was like, holy crap, I need to get on this. I need to keep watching it. So kept going on around, I want to say the next day, a couple of times, just checked on it. The next evening it was available and I got it. So the notify me helps. It lets me know that they're back in stock and they're frequently rebooting and putting them on. And then just, you know, checking after that, soon after that notify me to get it in. I would say within 24 hours, you can usually get what you want. Now I'm talking Pochette Matisse, I'm talking Never Falls, I'm talking Alma BBs, I'm talking Nanos, Speedy Nanos, the whole shebang. You can get any item that is sold out or difficult to get. You just really have to be diligent. You really have to make sure that you're hitting those notify me's when they're there. And if they're not there, that you're checking at certain times. And you can't check it like, you know, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. You really got to check like top of the morning, wherever your time zone is. So like do like 6 a.m, you know, do 5 a.m. checks. Some people check at like 3 a.m. I mean, God bless you if you're up at that time and you're checking for, you know, your piece, you're dedicated, you can get it. You can also call customer service, you can call stores. That's worked for me as well. I have a round coin purse that was really hard to get at one time that I got about 2 years ago, and I called a couple of stores and checked around and was able to nab it that way as well. That's a great way to check as well, because the inventory in store is different than what you're going to get on the website. But anyway, so this is my key clay Domier Ben. I'm so excited to add this to my collection. This is going to be specifically for my car keys. I'll let you know how it holds up. There's been a lot of reviews about this. Not always the best, not always the most positive. People have been complaining that you can see light through the bottom of it, like through the base of the piece, you can see light. I cannot, I'm not gonna lie there. This is made in France, so perhaps that's why. Again, I've heard on the purse forums as well, if you're lucky enough to get a piece that's made in France, it does not have those issues. So mine does not have those issues, so you cannot see through the base. So perhaps there's some truth in that, I don't know. I don't have another one to compare it to. So this is my first one of the Domier being key clay. So that's that one. Okay, next one. Okay, next unboxing. Now this is a true unboxing, guys. I'm not going to show you my address or anything, right? So this is like true unboxing. I have not opened this. This box is sealed. So wanted to have at least one of these where I show you how it comes, because I think Louis Vuitton does a really good job sending off their packages when they come in the mail. So it has like this little pull, see, and you just give it a little pull, and then literally it's right there. Yeah, so sweet. So very nicely packaged. All of their boxes do this. The big ones, I've gotten big ones, I've gotten small ones, and they all do this. And then the piece is tucked in there. So again, guys, like I told you before, no ribbon. You see, Louis Vuitton's not about that ribbon game anymore. So ribbons are hard to come by. So this one came with the box there, and this is my envelope with receipt, you know, proof of purchase, the return tags, you know, things of that nature, return labels and so on to do that. So it just comes just like this, no ribbon. Louis Vuitton, I'll see you. Looking a little cheap there, but whatever. So again, pull, it's a drawer opening again. So guys, this is the first time I'm seeing this as well, because as you saw, I just opened it fresh. So if it's jacked up, you're gonna see me. So again, at SLG, so this is a little piece. Okay, it's got some fuzzies on it. So we're gonna give it a little, so it looks very similar, right? Very similar. But guys, ta-da! Oh, You're like, wait a minute, that's the same thing. It's not. It's not, I promise. It's different. So this is a Louis Vuitton multi-clay 6 in damier vein. So this is the 6 key holder. It does come with a snap there. I'm just giving it a check, guys, because like I said, this is the first time I'm seeing it the same as you. So just looking at it and making sure it looks good. And it smells good, it looks good. I've heard horror stories about them coming smelling like funny business. I ain't got no time for that. So it is like this very beautiful chocolate brown. And then you have 6 of these hooks. The hooks are, they can come out. You just have to pull on this thing here, which I don't know how to do. I don't know, you can check YouTube on how to do it. But there's a way that you can slide this off and take off the hooks. I've never had a reason to do that, so I have not done it. I did not get it monogrammed or anything because that just wasn't an option, buying it online, obviously. But I can always take it into my local store and get it hot stamped with something. I do have 2 other multi-clay 6s in my collection. I have the monogram with the mimosa lining, which is a yellow lining, and I have with me here, so I don't have the monogram with the mimosa lining right now because it is off for repair. We'll talk about that in a second. But I have that one, and I also have the damier graphite. So I have the mimosa. I love the mimosa, but the mimosa comes with a leather snap, a leather button, and that button wears off like it's so bad. So that is off being repaired. Hopefully they can repair that for me and I can have that back. But this is the one that I've been using in its place while my mimosa is under construction, my monogram mimosa. So I do have it hot stamped, and I have my keys in here now. These are for my home keys. And the great thing about this is it's also made in France. Oh, I didn't even check if my other one was made in France. It is! So this is also made in France. So with this, the reason why I'm obsessed and I have so many of them, anytime I get multiple prints of the same item, it's because it's legit. Like, I love it. I love the fact that I can stick a couple of cards back here, or my license, or like your insurance card, or what have you, and you take your house keys and you snap it up and you're done. Like, this is life for me. Like, this is the best thing ever. So I know I'm going to use it. I know I'm going to use it extensively, so I need to have more than one in my collection, or else I'm going to run the one down ragged, which is what happened with the mimosa and monogram one. So that one's off for repair. The button wear is horrible on that. I would truly not recommend anyone get, even though they're so beautiful, unless you have multiple in your collection and you're changing them out quite frequently, then okay, then maybe, I mean, that, you know, it's your coin, right? But it's not, it just doesn't wear well at all. So I wish I would have gotten all of mine with the gold buttons or with the metal buttons, but we live and we learn. So, but as of right now, so excited. So guys, okay, so my unboxings today are these 2 guys. Oh, they're like sisters. So really excited about this. Going to show you, like I said, maybe some wear and tear over time on this guy, because I'm not sure how this will wear, not sure what if any complications I would see with this one. But I already told you, with this guy, you're better off going with the classics. Get you the classic monogram, get you the classic damier vein, or the graphite. The damier graphite is a great one. It looks great in black bags. It's great for guys as well. This is a great, you know, really, really great versatile piece. But yeah, that's pretty much it today with my unboxings. Thank you so much for coming back. If you did, you know, this is a journey that I'm on with this whole YouTube thing. Really, really excited. Make sure you comment down below, subscribe, don't subscribe, keep watching, thumbs up, you know, all of that jazz. I would really, really love to hear from you. Tell me what your favorite SLG is. Tell me if you have these pieces. If you have both of them, do you feel like overkill or it's necessary? Want to hear from you. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for showing up, guys. I'll talk to you soon. See you in the next one. Bye.